Here we are at the Escapees Kofa Resort here in Yuma. And the one thing about this place I've always liked is they have this huge back lot. That's a dog park, totally fenced in. I brought my last two dogs here and they just loved it. They'd run till they were collapsing. So this is the first time these guys have been able to just run like this in such a huge open area safely. So they are really enjoying it. Hopefully it'll wear them out real good for tonight. Yeah, we left Kofa Wildlife Refuge and came down here. Found this place and got ourselves logged in, so we have a place to stay. Then we went back up 95 just outside of Yuma to a place that I've seen before, commented by other RVers. You'd miss it if you zoomed past it, but it was known as the Dirty South Barbecue House, but that group broke off and made their own shop in downtown Yuma. So we went back to this place, which has changed their name totally to Lemon Groove, something like a 60s style. And we went there, my friend and I, and got some Mexican food. I can't say the name of this stuff because I can't pronounce it, but it was good. So we're just going to kick back and relax. Looks like Spirit's coming back to me. I see, here comes Ember, just like a crazy wild animal. They're loving it out here. Looks like Ember's running Spirit's legs off this morning. There they are, way over there in the far corner. Ember's just running and running and running. Spirit's close behind her. Good girls. I just whistle and here comes the girls. They're gonna be so tired today. Hey, you guys made it. You're back. Good girl. I got fresh water up there. Spirit, what you doing? Spirit's hanging out in the shade. There goes Ember again. There's a lot of hummingbirds out here sometimes. They'll hide in those bushes. Well, this place down here in Yuma is a really nice place. I've been here a couple times in the past with my last pack, and I really like it here. I'm seriously thinking about moving down here now. If I did, this would be the place. Outside of Yuma, it's really nice. I think so. I'd just sell the old home, move down here, buy a lot, and if I want to go home, go home during the July to September when it's really nice, and do my boondocking up there during the summer, and then when the winter gets crappy, come down here for a long winter and explore this area. So yeah, I guess that's it. I don't want to show too much about this place because nowadays if you show off something really nice, you get all kinds of riffraff wanting to move in there, and before you know it, it all goes downhill. So yeah, this is my little space. And since I'm planning on hopefully moving down here in the near future, if I'm lucky enough, I don't want to broadcast it to the general public out there. So I think a lot of you would understand why. Other than that, let's see, what's going on with the girls? Their spirit kind of wore out because we went out here just before lunch and I let both dogs just run their legs off. I'm really proud of them that when I whistle, they come right back to me. So that sure makes taking care of them easier. Let me see, where's Ember go? I gotta get up and turn around. Here we go. Ember's just all coiled up sleeping. They woke me up several times last night for just no reason. Just they got spooked by cars or other people walking their dogs out here. Ember starts it and Spirit joins in. And no matter how much I tell them to shut up, they won't. So I just gave up. Oh, there you can see my workstation there, putting the video together today. And then I think I'll be caught up because my other videos are just about run their course and we'll be caught up to where we are now. So other than that and blabbing just to fill space, I think the girls and I will say we wish you all happy trails and woof woof. Have a great Thanksgiving if I don't see you later. Take care.